Hi, my name is Gary Smith, GMB Scotland Secretary, and this is a short message for all of you, our members across the NHS in Scotland. I want to talk very briefly about your paying conditions and the pay offer from the Scottish Government. I was actually very disappointed that last week the Scottish Government didn't go through the appropriate channels when announcing a pay offer for NHS workers in Scotland. They chose instead to leak it to the press as trying to create some hype and fanfare around the Scottish elections. And I don't think that is appropriate. We negotiate over your paying conditions, and you should have been hearing through the proper channels about any pay offer from your employer, not waking up to hear it announced on the news. Now, very importantly, your GMB Scotland shop stewards met last week, and they will be recommending that you reject the Scottish Government's pay offer. It's okay talking about headline rates in a pay offer, but what the Scottish Government's offer does not address is the fact that for years, through all the austerity years, workers across the NHS have suffered real terms pay cuts, and the current pay offer does not address years of you being undervalued and underpaid. Ultimately, the decision over pay is yours. Your union will respect whatever decision you make. In the coming days, you're going to be balloted over the pay offer. Your union is always on your side. We're a members-led union. But the message from GMB Scotland, your shop stewards, is very clear. The pay offer is not sufficient. It doesn't address years of real-term pay cuts, and it doesn't respect the fact that you have been on the front line of this pandemic. Thank you for your continued support for your union. Cast your vote. Thank you for choosing to be in GMB Scotland.